Now, welcome back to the part 2 of Introduction to Pixelab. Hope you have eaten, you have go for lunch or breakfast or dinner. I don't know the time you are watching this video. Go and eat first to yes, so you are consuming something, you go and eat first to me. I can't consume anything burning without eating. Kai, no. Go and eat first. Anyway, you're welcome back to the part 2 of Introduction to Pixelab. Let's continue. In our last video, we talked about introduction to Pixelab part 1, which I really introduced this upper part here. Now in this video I'm going to explain the lower part here. Now let's move on. I'm going to start from here, from this sign here. Yes, I'm going to start from here. So click on this sign. Can you see now? If you remember in our last design, I saved something on my phone and I saved something as image which you find on my phone. I just save it as my project. That will be on this app, that will be on this are my own project, or what I've designed so far. Now I have to Pixelab Pro app, which you also be getting at the end of this course. Yes, these are what I've designed on this app. Now I'm using one. I can decide to choose anyone out of it. These are my projects. You see, if you are designing and you didn't save your design as project, if you send your design to your client or your anybody you are designing for, and the person wants to make a correction and you can't find it again, if you come to your project, you see it here. You just edit it. Like this one, let me edit it now. Like this one, let me click on this one. Like now, I'm doing on these flyers. Assuming I did a mistake, and one of my I designed a flyers for Arabic learning, but one of my results come that no, I can't put factor. I didn't know what I do. I just click on this. I see it. I just edit it or I delete it and I put on. But if I didn't save it as project, I won't be able to do something like this. I will start from the beginning again. That is very important. Whenever you are designing, make sure you save it as what as project. It's very important. Save it what a project. These are my own projects. Yes. Now let's move on. This is the normal interface of this app. In your own interface, it will be different. You have your interface will be different. Yes. I think that the other one that will download on Play Store is called login or something like that. This is my own interface. I'll click on it now. Now I'm using Pro App. That's why I'm seeing this template here. I can decide to use any one of it and edit it. But in your own case, you won't say something like this. I'm very sure. Now, let's start from here. Now, I think there's nothing much to explain here. So let's move to this sign here. A. This sign called A. I hope you can see it. This sign here, A, capital letter A. Click on it now. This capital letter, it means test. Whenever you want to input a test, it's just working like the one I explained on this plus sign here. On this plus sign here. So click on the plus sign. Can you see what TEST? If you click on this test, it's the same thing as what at this addition. If you click on capital letter A, then click on this plus sign here at the lower part. This plus sign here. If you click on its test, can you see what? It's the same thing. They are working at it. That's why I said I just want to explain to you. Everything here, they are somehow you can take it any way you like. They are working the same. They are working the same way, the same function. You understand? Then assuming I click on this one, I can click on edit. Can you see what the edit here? The edit sign. Yes, click on edit. And I put whatever I want to put yes, and I put whatever I want to put. Now this is my design. Okay, now can I see what delete? Mistake, why did I delete this thing? I'll click on what? I'll click on this sign, undo. Then to direct me back, undo. Can I see now? Go back. Now assuming I want to copy it, you can copy it, making it 2. Can I see it now? Font. Can I see now? I've copied, making it 3 font. This thing means like now. Can I see what this sign here? Can you see this sign here? To front and to back. Can you see it? I hope you can all see it. Can you all see it? Can you see it? This sign here and this sign here. The first one is what? To front, while the second one is what? To back. Let me explain to you. Let me import an image image for my garlic. Yes, let me use this one. Let me use this one. Now, can you see now? If I move this image like this, that means the text is at the back. If I just click on this text like this, then I click on to front. Where's the icon? This icon. Click on to front. If you click on it, can you see now? The text is now at the top. It's now at the front. Yes, it's now at the front. But if I click on the image, can you see now? The text is now at what? At the front. If I click on to back, can you see now? The text is now at the back. That is the function. Now, let's move on to the next tools. Now, this one. Can you see what they write there? Position. Where do you want to paste your? Where do you want to place your text? Click on it. Now, do you want to? Can you see now? Can you see now? You want to what? If I want to move it down. I want to move it down. Can you see now? It's moving. It's following me as I'm clicking it. Can you see this one me down? This one me so up. This one me to the what? To the left. This one me what? To the what? To the right. Now let me explain it again. This side means what? To the left. To the what? To the right. This one means to up. This one means to down. Can you see it now? No. But this one will determine the motion. What's the motion of how your text will be moving. If you click on full, I usually use full like this now. Can you see now? But if I click on it to go back to what? One. Can you see now? It'll be working slow. You even know whether it's moving or safe. But sometimes we want to, but if there are too much elements, it's better to put it at what? One, so that you can know. You don't want it to move more. You don't want the speed to the speed to be too much, sir. So I don't know what you want to move. You understand now? Now, let's move to the next one, which is called what? The relative position. From the word the relative, can you see what? This sign means what? Can you see now? If I click on this, the text move to the what? To the left, and it touches the edge. It touches what? The edge, the circumference of the design of the canvas. Yes, if I click on this, it moves to the middle. If I click on this, it moves to the right. If I click on here, where's the sign? It's a relative position. Okay, now can you see now? To the middle. Can you see now? Just try everything. You know how to use everything. Click on everything. Can you see how it's working? Hope you are following me. Now, let's move to the next one. Now, can you see what? Let's move to the what? This sign here. Can you see what? They put under it size. Can you see what? Size. This one, if you click on it, that means your text, size of your text. Can you see now? It's big. More big again. Can you see? Bigger. Can you see? It's not big now. Can you see now? I don't know how you want your text to be. Can you see now? To change your text. Can you see now? It's big. Can you see now? This is the what? This is what this one is working for. Yes. Now, color. Let's move to what? Color. Can you see it? Call what? Color. Yes. Click on the color sign. Click on the color sign. Click on it. Can you see what? Your text will change color. Can you see? Can you see how it's working? Can you see how it's working? How it's working? In case you don't like all this color, whether your best color is not here, you just have to click on this plus sign here. Click on it. Can you see it? You just have to click on it. Click on it now. Plus sign. Now, then you choose your color from here. You are going to move this small circle here. Move it. This small circle. Can you see the small circle? You are just going to be what? Rotating it. Then you see your design, the color you want. This one will be this one here, all this sign here, this circle, this small circle here, and here and here. You will be determining how the intensity of your color, how do you want your color to be more deeper or to be more thicker, to be more thinner, or so on. Just test everything. Can you see? To determine it. This one, can you see how it's working? Can you see how it's working? As you are rotating, as you are rotating this small circle here, you'll be seeing the changes here at the top here. Can you see it? You'll be seeing the changes here. Yes. Oh yeah, see it now. Can you see the changes? Can you see the changes? Can you see it? Can you see how it changes? Now it's now in black. Can you see now? If you move it like this, it's now in white. If you move it like this, no color. That's no color. As you mean, like now, there's no color I want to choose from this side though. Just click on this sign here. What I say? Click on this sign here. Click on this sign here. You understand? Click on it. Assuming you have upload and you are thinking of which color should I use in my design, just click on this what you have import from my gallery. This is what I've import from my own gallery. This one here. Just click on it. Click on it. Then you choose your color from here. You can choose your color from here. Now just be moving this. You're just going to be moving this circle here. This small circle here. Yes, you're just going to. You can choose your color from here. Now, can you see now? Can you see now? I've seen the color. Yes, that's what I mean. Gradient. Can you see? Click on this and check how gradient is working. We are going to be moving this one, moving this one here and this one. You'll be moving it. Can you see? Can you see? That's how it's working. Can you see? I say this is the color I want to use. Click on what? Okay. Can you see the color? The upper one is more deeper than the lower part. Can you see? That is the work of what? Gradient. Now let's move to the second one. Texture. I don't think you really need this texture. I'm going to talk about this one later. Yes. Let's move to opacity. Opacity. Can you see? If I lower this, it's down in what? 100%. If I lower it to 0%, can you see anything? You can't see anything. Can you see anything here? There's nothing here again. There's what? There's nothing here again. But if I put it in 100 now, you see something there. Can you see what? Opacity. That's what we call opacity. You are going to reduce the brightness. Yes. The what? The brightness. You just have to check everything. Rotate. You should all know the meaning of rotate. Can you see? Rotate. You can rotate. You can rotate it from here. From moving this one. From what? From moving this one to the right, to the left, and so on and so forth. You can also rotate it from here. Wait, I'm coming. You can also rotate it from this side also. This side at the below here. And see this side here. You can also rotate it from there by moving like this. Can you see now? Without using what? This side. You understand now? Now let's move to mask. This is the work of mask. Let me show you very well. This is work of mask. I'm coming. Can you see now? You can't see anything here. You can't see anything here. There's nothing here again. That is the work of what? Of mask. Out. Can you see now? If you said out, that means you don't want to see anything at this top. Yes. Now, let's move to front. This front, can you see now? There are different types of front here because I'm using Pro app. In your own case, that once go and download it from Play Store, you won't see all these fonts there. You just see a free font. Yes. Because I'm using Pro Fashion. Do you know meaning of Pro Fashion? The advanced app is what? Advanced app. But by the end of this course, you are going to get the what? The Pro app. And also if you have it on your phone, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Now let's move on. Which font do you want to choose? You can change font. Let me show you I'm wrestler. Can you see now? The font has already changed. Let me go back there. First font, this font. I don't like this one. Let me choose another one. Let me choose this one. Okay. I see now the font are what? Are changed. I don't like this one. The other one is even more better than this one. Just click on what? Undo. The sign. Don't forget this sign is very, very, very important. Very, very important to help you a lot. Just click on what? Undo. What? Undo. I like this. This is very okay. Let keep it on. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is what? Test. Style, yeah, style. The B sign means what? Style. Just click on it. Can you see now? It will be more deeper. If you want to slant, can you see now? Slant. If you want to underline it, click on this U. Underline. Can you see underline under the U2? You want to cancel the underline, click on this T sign. Can you see now? As if you just want to underline the middle part, you are just going to what? To rotate You're just going to crop this one. You're just going to click on this and move it to the right or light. To the what? To the right. I'll click on back sign. Oh, excuse me. Okay, now let's continue. Where's the style? This style. Assuming this is the middle one, I really want to what? I really want to underline. See, I've copied it and just click on the use sign. Can you see now? Because of I've rotated to this one. Can you see now? It's only underlining the middle one here. Let me show you. Can you see? There's no line under all this one and this one. But the middle one here, you see line under it. Yes, that is that one. So let's move on to the next one. Cough. Do you want to cough your test? Cough, you can see. Can you see now? Let me show it. Can you see? It's coughing. Now straight. Can you see now? Can you see? Right. Can you see now? Can you see now? Just have to test everything. Test everything after watching this video. Test everything. Yes, test everything. No. Do your own. Test everything. You understand? Let's move on again. Click on background. Do you want your test to have its own background? I said normal background we are using. Click on background. Then on this one enabled. Which color? Can you see now? There's no background under our test. Choose any color. Choose any color you like here. I think you have known how to use this gradient one. Just move this sign here. Move it. You should know how to use that. Can you see now? Choose background for your test. Right padding. Can you see now? Right padding. Right padding is moving. The background is moving to the right, to the left. Top padding. You can see the top padding. Can you see the background? You see the background. Can you see there will be more space for the background at the top. Bottom one. Radius here. Can you see now? See. Can you see this thing is going to be changing small. Check this angle. Be checking it now. See it now. Can you see now? Angle 90. Circular. Can you see now? Now let's continue. Align. If you remember, we talk about layout in our theory part. Like now, let me talk. Let me input a new text now. Let me write something. Abdulwasiu. Let me write my name. Abdulwasiu Ibn Akinde. Let me just put comma. You understand? Just write a graphic designer, digital Arabic calligrapher, video creator, and so on. Manage it like that. Now, this is it, and so on. Can you see what I've done now? Yeah, let's go to that sign. Align. Align. This is the what? This is the sign here. What is it? Align. If I click on align, if I click on the middle sign, it means if I click on this, the text will be at the middle. Can you see now? There will be space here. There will also be space here. You understand? Can you see what I'm seeing? If you click on what? The third one here. If you click on the third one here, so you see the changes. Can you see now? There is no shapes here. There's shapes here. Can you see now? If you click on the first one like this, you will not see space here. You will not see space here. Can you see the space here? That is the work of layout. How do you want your text to show in your design? You want it to be at the center, or at the left, or at the left. That is the work of what? Alignment. That's what I call alignment in our theory part. Spacing. The second sign is what? Spacing. Can you see what? Spacing. Don't click on it. Spacing. Oh yeah, see the changes. There's now what? There's no space in between the text. There's no space. Oh yeah, let me close it back. Can you see now? No text. I can't even see any text here. Can you see now? Increase it. That is what we call spacing in what? Pixelab. And stroke. Let's move on to stroke. Can you see now? You see now. Let me change the color to like color yellow. Can you see now? Can you see stroke? After your test, you will now see someone see stroke at the beginning, and you can share your stroke color too also. You can change it to red, any color that you know that will show. That's what we call stroke. You can change your stroke width, your stroke size. See now, can you see now? Can you see now? Can you see now? I can use this as sticker too also. Just let's continue. I'm not talking about this one. Shadow. Just you should try everything. Don't wait for me to say that I explain everything for you. Try everything. You understand? Eh? Now let's move on to. I don't need to emboss. I don't usually use this one. I don't usually use it. You don't need it. Move on. This one too. Can you see now? I think we want to perspective. Can you see? You don't really need this one. I only need this one in shapes. 3D rotate. Can you see? Let me rotate. Can you see now? 3D rotate. The test is what? Is rotating. Is what? Is what? Is rotating now. Is what? Is rotating. Now, just set everything. I think. Okay, let me continue. I want to short this video too also. No? I think I should short it into 3 parts. 3 parts now. I think I'll short it. Now, see you in the next video. Let's stop here. Then we are going to start from this sign here. We are going to start from this sign. This sign here. Now, let's see you in the next class.